Today I am reviewing the Hamilton Beach Digital Programmable Rice Cooker and Food Steamer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the link below the video. The Hamilton Beach Digital Programmable Rice Cooker and Food Steamer is a game changer for anyone looking to simplify cooking while still enjoying nutritious, delicious meals. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast, a wholesome lunch, or a hearty dinner, this multi-function cooker has got you covered. One of the standout features of this rice cooker is its versatility. You're not limited to just cooking rice. From whole grains and hot cereals to steaming vegetables, seafood, or even eggs, this cooker handles it all. The pre-programmed digital settings make it simple to get perfect results every time. With just the press of a button, you can cook white rice, brown rice, or hot cereal, while the built-in countdown timer lets you know exactly how much cooking time is left. And once your food is ready, it automatically switches to warm mode, keeping your meal at the ideal temperature until you're ready to eat. The capacity of the Hamilton Beach 37518 is another huge plus. Its removable pot can cook up to 8 cups of rice, which is perfect for family meals, and the PFAS-free ceramic non-stick coating ensures easy cleaning without sticking. This makes it ideal for busy households or anyone who loves to cook for friends and family without the hassle of multiple pots and pans. Another feature that sets this rice cooker apart is its 2-in-1 steam and rinse basket. This clever design allows you to rinse rice or grains directly in the basket before cooking, saving you extra steps and time. And while your rice is cooking, you can simultaneously steam seafood, vegetables, or other ingredients, making it a true one-pot meal solution. Imagine steaming salmon while cooking your rice below. It's convenient, fast, and healthy. For meal prep enthusiasts, the Hamilton Beach 37518 also makes homemade fried rice, shrimp with rice, or mixed grain bowls a breeze. The even cooking and precise temperature control ensure that your grains come out fluffy, while your steamed ingredients retain their natural flavors and nutrients. The stainless steel finish adds durability and a sleek look to your kitchen, while the digital controls and countdown timer make the appliance incredibly user-friendly. It's perfect for beginners who want foolproof cooking or experienced cooks who need a reliable tool for everyday meals. In short, the Hamilton Beach Digital Programmable Rice Cooker and Food Steamer 37518 is not just a rice cooker. It's a versatile, convenient, and high-performing kitchen companion. With its large capacity, easy-to-use digital controls, and smart steaming basket, it's ideal for families, busy professionals, or anyone looking to simplify their cooking routine without sacrificing flavor or nutrition. Whether you want perfectly cooked rice, steamed vegetables, or quick one-pot meals, this cooker handles it all, making it one of the most practical appliances you can add to your kitchen today.